yes, you will tape over the original hole punch. But that's okay, because the only reason why I had you do it so early is because if you tape it over the whole way, it'll be too thick for you to hole punch it, unless you have a really good hole punch. So I suggest hole punching it for every single layer. And don't worry, if you miss the hole punch, you can always just tape it over. Okay. Now that you've got this going, all you need to do is tape it over the rest of the way. But first, we've got our lines. We have to fold those over so that we know where it's going after we're done folding it all up. So now that that's folded over, we have to tape it the rest of the way. This side is a little trickier because you don't want to waste too much duct tape, and it's hard. So you only measure about midway, maybe a little more, maybe a little less. Snip that off, and tape it right over. Make your snips, fold them over, and now you've got this side all taped up. Now the rest of it. Since this is wider than the rest, because it has the side flaps, what we're going to do is make the tape only that width and a little bit more. A little bit more than the width, no, a little bit more than the height of this section. Snip it off. And stick it on so that the side of your tape goes about halfway in. Offset it so that it only goes halfway in. You're not covering the whole thing. This part's open. This part is taped. So that means that you can fold it over like this. And then you do the same measurement of tape. And put it only slightly overlapping the last part that you taped, like this, and then fold it over, and then make snippets and fold them over. Fold the last parts over. Make some more snippets. and then you're done. That. Now, as you can see, I have this last little part here that's not quite taped over. So now, you take a piece of tape just big enough to cover it. Tape that over, and then you are done.